Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into Act 3 of the Incentivized Summit series on the Camp Network. This testnet is live. Exciting new apps and quests have joined the climb, onboarding new sets of IP and bringing the next wave of users on chain. So the Summit's peak is coming into view. Here's what's new. So we will dive into this. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, the Incentivized Summit series, Act 3, we've done Act 2. I don't remember Act 1. Maybe it's been a long journey. So we'll show you how to get matchsticks, and hopefully that'll earn us a nice airdrop later on. But if you do need any help navigating this space, I have a Discord, Twitter, all that stuff. Links are down below. Catch me at the BCR142, and I co-host a show twice a week at DeFi Crypto and Airdrops. And I go live every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, with Veteran Crypto, Veteran for Crypto. Follow him, great DeFi mind, printing money, even when the market's down. And you can catch us at the_only_DCA. And we got a Discord, all that stuff. Catch us live, and you'll see why we're buzzing. So I appreciate all of you. Love you all so much. And let's give this a like and a retweet. So here we go. Act 3 is now live. Joining AI Adobe, Core Protocol, powering the largest on-chain IP economies, Plena Finance, AI-powered ecosystem for building and using on-chain apps. Remaster.io, connecting intellectual property to AI's future. And then joining Consumer Cabin is Sheb Inc., discover local fashion and sneakers in one digital marketplace. Chain Bills, Co-NFT app, MintPad Co., OmniHub, all these, look at all these. Gamers Grove, Social Sparks. So there we go. Now we go to Testnet Camp Network, testnet.campnetwork.xyz. We're going to sign in with the wallet that we used in the last part, and we can go to quests, or progress, I should say. So man, now we got a lot more to go. Okay, so let's start with AI Adobe. We'll do AI Adobe. Okay, let's knock some of these out. So story chain, add your chapter to story chain, post your never-ending story with phrase, complete Rex's chronicle. Okay, so there's quite a lot to do in this. Let's see, complete quest here. So this is Rex's campfire. Let's connect a Rabby, or I prefer the Rabby just because it's been a great wallet to have. So we will add, so this is Milo's camping story. That's that one, but this one's the Rex. So we're gonna do the Rex one. Let's click right here. Create a new mascot story, following the stars. He leads the new generation to an unexplored galaxy. Boom. Guess that one doesn't work. So let's see what it does. Cool, now copy your wallet address right here, or you can copy it in your wallet itself. Okay, so we're gonna go back to here, submit your wallet address to complete the quest. Submit. True, there you go. And we will claim that on the Rex's Chronicles. So sometimes it doesn't work properly, so you gotta try again later. Milo's story, I don't think is working properly. Okay, well, one of them worked. Not the one we did, but you can come back and verify that one later. Post your never-ending story with phrase. Huh, okay, that one's, so I guess you're supposed to post that, but that one's not working either. Okay, we'll complete Wispy's Tales. So generations, my account. Okay, so you got to mint the NFT in your story, right? Is that how you, interesting. Not sure. It says true, so I don't think these are actually working properly on the quests. So we'll have to check out, okay. I don't know which one, because none of these, nope. So there's an error with that. Go back to progress. Let's go to Merv, all right? Nope, nothing there. Wide Worlds, nothing there. Rebel, nothing. Nothing. Core Protocol. This is just social stuff. Man, so we got to follow mirror. So those are just social things. Plena Labs, only social. Visit the remaster marketplace. Is that all? Just visiting? Or do we actually need to sign in? Oh, create content owner account. There we go. Business. There we go. So this testnet is turning out to be kind of poopy. Remaster team. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna put in a PIN number. Got to put in a PIN number. Set up the passkey. And okay. Now I've set up my account. So I'm not gonna do all this right now, but there you go. Okay. So that, maybe I thought it would work. So remaster, join all these, and we don't have anything else in there. Okay. And let's check the Liquidity Lagoon. See if we can't do anything in here. Join the Zaid community, because that's Telegram. Okay, here we go. Add liquidity in Summit X. So add liquidity to any pool. And then this one we will remove. So we need to have our wallet address. All right, Basecamp, explore, swap over here, and connect your wallet. And since we have some already available, you can swap for different tokens right there, but I'm gonna go right here to earn. And whatever tokens you swap to, make sure you have equal amount of both. So I have what? Wrap Camp. Oh, do I have Wrap Camp? Oh, go to swap. I do have Wrap Camp. Okay. You have to swap for some Wrapped Camp token right here. W Camp. And then you can deposit into this pool. This Wrap Camp and MUSDC. Just gonna put a little bit in there, add your liquidity, and go over here. This is your add liquidity quest. So status, okay, active. Why is my position inactive? Huh. Oh, that might be another one. Oh, I think I had two. Okay. So I'm going to remove the liquidity from this pool because I had two in there for some reason. There we go. So now we got that active pool. Gonna give us that verification, dog? No, I guess it's not going to. So doesn't look like we're going to get that authorized at the moment. So we'll have to come back and beat that one later. So let's see. Nope. Camp Network not doing a great job, but well, we're just going to leave it at those two for today. We'll dive into the rest. I think I'll dedicate a separate video for the consumer cabin because this one, we got a lot. Yep, we got a lot to do. And yeah, there you go. Check your leaderboard where your matchsticks. I'm 5,000. So yeah, happy hunting, happy camping, happy questing. And remember, catch me on Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. This is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.